is a challenge when trying to properly expose my scene, but with the right lighting, my subject is refreshingly dramatized. Take this instance. By pairing the EOS 600D's integrated speed light transmitter with a simple, easy wireless option, my Speedlight 320EX external flash unit can automatically sync with the camera's built-in flash, giving me a well-balanced picture. Believe it or not, video recording in the dark is a simple affair, since the Speedlight 320EX also has an LED video light I can turn on for continuous luminance. Sometimes, still photos have trouble keeping up with life's more animated moments. That's when video recording comes to my rescue. Shooting in full HD at 24, 25 or 30 frames per second with the EOS 600D lets me relive the joys of yesteryear in all their original glory. There's another great reason to shoot in full HD. Only in this mode can I engage advanced movie crop, which magnifies the frame by 3 to 10 times while maintaining full HD resolution. So I never miss a defining moment, even if it seems just out of reach. There are plenty of endearing memories I want to treasure forever, and this is where Video Snapshot really shines. By being able to take bite-sized video clips of 2, 4 or 8 seconds, seizing the carefree moments couldn't be more fun. What's more, I can combine them all and add my own soundtrack to form one joy-filled highlight reel. It's all done within the camera too.